Good morning, children. As you all know that due to coronavirus, there is a situation of lockdown in our country. But in that case also, we don't want that you suffer with your study. So after completing book work of lesson 1 and 2, let's proceed towards the copy work. Today, we will start with the first lesson of English 1, that is Tia's scrapbook. Children, we all love to use new things, but it is our responsibility also to take care and keep that things new as long as we can. Your parents have purchased new copies and books for you, so now it's your responsibility to take care of it and keep it just like new till the last lesson. From the bundle of your copies, you have to take 4 lines copy which should be ruled on both the sides. Now, when you will open your copy, you will get the first page, which is index page, where you have to write your name, class, and section. After that, you will start getting 4-line pages, and the first thing what you have to do is to write the page numbers, which is called paging. Just like on the first page, you will write 1. On the next page, you will write 2. On the other next, you have to write 3. And in the same way, you have to complete paging till the last page. Now, before writing, let's read some instructions which you have to strictly follow while writing. The first instruction is sharp your pencil before writing. Write in cursive letter which you have already learned in your previous class. Your writing should be very neat and clean. 1 finger space between each word is required. You have to give 1 finger space between each and every word. Touch the lines while writing. You have to touch the lines when you write. Don't leave the letters in between the line or don't go out of the line. Draw the lines with the help of your scale. Take the help of your scale while drawing the line. Now let's start writing. Take your scale and draw the lines on the first page like this. This is called margin lines. On the left side of the page, you have to write the date like this, and on the right side, you have to write CW, that is classwork. After that, in the center of the first line, lesson 1, and in the second line, name of the lesson, that is Tia's scrapbook. Now leave one line and write 1 in Roman letter in the next line and difficult words. In every lesson, there are some words which are difficult to learn and pronounce. But if you will write each word 4 times, you will realize that you have learned the words. As I have written, in the same way, you have to write all the words 4 times 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the first word is scrapbook. The second word is artist. You have to write here first word, second, third, and fourth. In the same way, third word is lesson. First, second, third, and fourth. The fourth word is banker, and the fifth word is brother. I have written all the words 1 time, but you have to write 4 times, like first, second, third, and fourth. You have to write all the words very neat and clean. Again, you have to leave one line after completing all the difficult words. Now let's move towards the second part, that is word meaning. Number 2, word meaning. Just like I have written, in the same way you have to copy all the letters and words. The first word is tiny, and the meaning of tiny is very small. The second word is banker. A person who works at a bank is called banker. The third word is artist. A person who paints or draw pictures are called artist. Again, you have to leave one line and move towards the third part, that is, answer these questions. The question number 1 is, how many members are there in Tia's family? So the answer is, there are 7 members in Tia's family. And the next question is question number 2. Who is the youngest member of Tia's family? Who is the youngest member of Tia's family? And the answer is, Tia's brother is the youngest member of her family. When you will start writing question and answers, you have to remember that the first letter should be capital, and at last you have to put full stop like this. Now, as I have written, in the same way you have to complete the work in your fair copy. Write very neat and clean and in good handwriting. Give proper one finger space and touch the line. Till then, take care of your health and enjoy your holidays. Thank you.